Hey, why do you look like the way that you look like? Okay, bad wording, but let's talk about it. You have 23 pairs of these things called chromosomes. Sections of these chromosomes are called genes. Different forms of these genes are called alleles, and they make up a genotype. Your genotype's going to code for your phenotype. And your phenotype is just your physical characteristics. Now, these alleles can either be dominant or recessive. Dominant alleles are represented with capital letters, while recessive alleles are represented with lowercase letters. Dominant alleles usually mask the recessive alleles, and you'll only see the recessive allele phenotype if you have two recessive alleles. Genotypes usually contain two alleles. Since these two alleles are the same, we call them homozygous. We refer to this genotype as being homozygous dominant. This genotype will express the dominant phenotype since it has at least one dominant allele. These genotypes are known as heterozygous. That's because they have one dominant and one recessive allele. They'll also express the dominant phenotype since they have at least one dominant allele. This genotype is called homozygous recessive. This genotype will express the recessive phenotype.